Hey guys, so I have some exciting news. It's day 2 of Keto Life and I'm down 6 pounds. I was up at 186 yesterday and today I am down to 180. I'm really excited and it really does get me so motivated, the fact that in such a little bit of time so much progress. I know most of it might be water weight, but it still gives me hope that this is going to be the solution for me to drop those 50 plus pounds that I need to lose. I'm super duper excited and I'm not feeling hungry. What I have been feeling a little bit is a little bit of a headache, but other than that, everything's going nice and smooth. The whole thing is just not feeling so much hunger. Usually I'm so hungry in between each snack or in between each meal. I was super starving and I would just grab anything to um, satiate myself. So this morning I did have coffee with creamer. It's an Americano with whipping cream and sugar-free vanilla syrup. And this has no carbs and it has the fats that my body's gonna need to use as energy. So I'm really excited for what's to come. I'm super just anxious to see my results, and if just one day I drop 6 pounds, it's like God has answered my prayers that I've been asking for. So yay. So thank you so much guys for watching, and again, if you are new to my channel or if you are doing the keto lifestyle, please go ahead and follow me and subscribe. I do also have an Instagram account where it's just for weight loss. I have a beauty Instagram account and a weight loss or fitness Instagram account as well, so follow me on both. I would love to have you guys follow me on this journey and we can share tips and suggestions and just interact with each other and keep each other motivated. Thank you again so much for everybody that subscribed and all the people that have been so supportive through this journey. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And yeah, so we'll continue on with the vlogs. And yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. Hey guys, quick little update on day number 2. That might be a little bit TMI for some people, but I still want to come on here and let you guys know. It seems like my stools are quite watery. It doesn't feel like diarrhea, like where your stomach hurts and bubbles up and then you get diarrhea. It's just really loose stools, like really liquidy, watery stools. And I read up on it, and I guess that's one of the side effects, especially in the beginning when your body is still getting used to consuming all those fats. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, a little bit TMI for some people, but I still wanted to share with you guys and let y'all know that the poop is real. So let's see how the day continues, and I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, it's day 3 of keto diet and I am feeling great. I dropped another pound, which I'm super duper excited. I'm down 7 pounds and we're barely on day 3. So I think that is pretty much incredible. And so I was doing some research, and usually I've been having my coffee with just some plain heavy whipping cream, but I was doing some research and I came across some videos in which people put butter and coconut oil or MCT oils into their coffee, and to me that sounds kind of gross. But I figured if I do need to keep my fat intake up, then it's a good way to incorporate those fats into a coffee that I'm going to drink every single day anyways. So although it does sound kind of disgusting, to be honest, I'm going to give it a try. So in this part of today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make I would call it keto coffee for the first time. And it's going to be also, not only is it going to be the first time me making it, it's also going to be the first time me trying it. So let me show you the ingredients of what we need to make this keto coffee. So the first thing you're going to need, of course, is coffee. I'm going to use this French dark roast from Sam's Club, which is a K-cup. And the next thing you're going to need is a tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. You can also add different types of oils, like MCT oils, I guess, or just different oils. There's different recipes online as well as on YouTube. You can check them out. but so far these are the ingredients that I have, and this is what I'm gonna include in this coffee. And then you do have to emulsify it or blend it in some way, so I'm gonna pop this in the blender and we'll see how that tastes. I also did forget to say that I am gonna add a packet of sweetener. This is a stevia sweetener called Trivia. You can find this at your local grocery store. So I'm gonna add one of these packets. This is optional, of course. All right, so I brewed the coffee. I'm gonna pour this into the blender. I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. And then I'm gonna add in the sweetener. Top it off. So here we have all the ingredients mixed together, and now it's time to blend it. Okay, it's blended. As you can see, it's become quite frothy right here. So I'm gonna take it out and pour it in my cute little cup. Here it is. And I did forget to mention that the butter, you don't want it to be salted butter. It's unsalted butter, because unless you want your coffee to be salty, then you go ahead and be my guest. So look at how frothy it looks. It almost looks like a latte. And now the real moment of truth. Time to taste this. Okay. It smells like coffee. It's not bad. You can't really taste like the butter. What I can taste is the aftertaste of sweeteners, which I don't love, but I'm kind of getting used to. I can drink this every day. Keto coffee is an A+ in my books so far. Yeah, it's not bad, guys. It tastes good. Just the idea of having butter in my coffee kind of freaked me out, but it gives it kind of like a velvety consistency. I don't know if it's because of just the plain old butter or because we put it in the blender, but it is a little bit creamier, obviously, hence the heavy whipping cream, but for sure a lot more velvety. I would drink this again. All right, that's it for right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys soon. All right, guess who's ready to hit the gym? I am. So this is the end of day 3. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. So far, also just a quick update, so far everything's been going great. Headaches have gone away completely. My stomach issues have settled down. I am feeling energized. I'm not feeling hungry. I'm not feel like I'm depriving myself of anything. I'm not even craving carbs, which to me that was like super, one of the biggest cravings I would have would be sweets and pan dulce and any kind of pastry treats, cookies, all that sorts, and I'm really not even craving it. Everything is going really great, very wonderful. I'm so proud of myself for sticking to this, and again I want to just thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please also, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also if you're down there, please go ahead and click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your lovely, lovely support. I really, really appreciate it. If you guys want to watch any of my other videos, I'll leave a few recommendations for you guys right here, and then click the little face down here so you can go ahead and subscribe. I love you guys. Stay blessed.